y'all, it's Fix It with Fran, where I talk about all things faith, family, food, and fun. This video is going to be some fun and some family and a little bit of traveling mixed in. So with this video, we were going on a cruise for our 9th anniversary. We have actually been married for 9 years and together for 11 years, believe it or not. And I'll tell you more about that a little bit in the video. This is us on the ship, but I wanted to show y'all because I know right now everybody that is wanting to cruise or wondering about cruising during the day and time of COVID is kind of trying to find out what's going on. And I also told y'all I was going to be sharing more about our little adventures as well as some of my insights and things from traveling. So that's what you have in this video. Hope you enjoy the ride. Here we go. All right, y'all. So this is our room on this cruise. This is Carnival Valor. This is room 7426. So clearly we've just gotten into the room. There's somewhat of a mess going on. This is me. Had some decorations in the room this go round. This is a cruise we're taking for our anniversary. Our anniversary is every December. We got engaged December 9th and married December 1st. So these are some of the stateroom decorations that you can pre-order before your cruise. We have the room set up with a king size bed instead of the 2 single beds. And something going on over here with this lampshade. So one difference already is that in the suite rooms, the lamps that we had the USB ports in the bottom. These do not. Same kind of setup for the balcony doors. I think the balcony in our suite was a bit larger than this. I think it was wider, but it's not bad. Here you see the, there's this, I think, Crescent City Connection Bridge, which will take you over to the West Bank of New Orleans, Algiers, and Oswego, Harvey, all those places. Got a barge coming down. Well, this is the current port. And yeah, so this decoration says like live, laugh, love, heart, better together, whatever, anniversary stuff. So these mats right here, in case you didn't know, are for you to use to put your luggage on the bed to unpack. It keeps us a protector for the sheets to keep them from getting dirty. What else is going on? Some of our stuff from coming in. Oh, and this right here was a part of the anniversary set to this picture frame and then a little decorative towel. I'm never really crazy about the towels, but it came with the set, so it's whatever.
Good afternoon, Carnival. Your muster station is marked on your boarding pass, sail and sign card, or cabin key and can be found on deck 4. I want to take this opportunity to remind you that face masks are required for all guests in areas such as elevators, all retail shops, casino, designated indoor entertainment areas, and prior to being seated in the main dining rooms and Lido buffet area. Where indicated, please follow the signs and instructions of our team. Thank you. We really appreciate your attention and cooperation as we seek to protect everyone's health and safety.
So that was a little safety announcement. Now with COVID, you do your own muster drill. Part of it is done with the Fun Ship app. What is it called? Yeah, the Carnival Fun Ships app. And then the rest is done when you go and physically check in at your muster station. These drinks that we brought on with us, these waters are in the room when you come in. I ordered a 24 pack of, I guess, 12-ounce bottles of water. So that, I guess, will be getting delivered at some point. On the last cruise that I went on, my friend ordered a thing of water, and those were in the room when we got there. So below the TV is your safe. I don't know if that, what's the dimension of that TV, you think? 20 something? 20?
About 20.
Okay, that's like a little 20-inch flat screen angled towards the bed. We had this delivered. This was a little anniversary treat, but I thought that was going to come later this afternoon, like after dinner, but with COVID, maybe they delivered it early. Coke Zeros that we brought on board ourselves. Also with this, you can bring on 1 bottle of wine per adult. So we have 2 bottles there in my little neoprene carry case. I'll tell y'all more about that later. Room service. A lot of the menus now with Carnival during COVID are digital. So you'll see a lot of these QR codes that you can scan, and it'll tell you more of the information. There used to be more paperwork here, but again, minimizing contact, minimizing waste as well. That's happened.
Now they have the pencil. Some folk are very upset about that. They liked before when we got the pen. I actually have one of the pens in my carry-on that I kept with me from, I guess, the end of them giving out pens. And there will always be a drop card in the room where they leave the business card for your stateroom steward so that you know who that person is, their extension to call. And yeah, I guess I'll show y'all. In this room, the closets are the same as what you had in the suite. It's just a different little setup here with the layout of the room, but there's always some hangers there, and you can request more hangers if you need to from your steward. The life jackets are usually tucked away, and usually in the room they'll have some extra pillows and blankets, but I don't see that here. As well as, a good thing to know is that with these shelves, if you need more space or you need more vertical space, this one part of the cabinetry always folds up. So sometimes folks don't know that, but you can put this up, slide this little disc, and then stow it away if you need to like tuck away your luggage. Or I think they can even put in more bars for you to hang more clothes. So yeah, if you needed to turn this into like a double rod closet, and this one you can fold all of the shelves up and give yourself more vertical space. Yeah, that one's acting janky, but you can fold all of those shelves up, and just as easy you can fold them back down. I'm gonna fold them back down because I tend to use this space in the closet for some of my luggage bags, just to help organize that situation. Brandon is here sitting. He's tired. You want to say hi? I'm ready to go eat. I want a burger. In this bathroom, unlike the bathroom in the suite, it's smaller. This does not have the jacuzzi tub. It's just going to give you the standing shower option. Everything's here. Looks like we're still waiting to be serviced the rest of the way because we're missing glasses and things. And I think I saw a utensil outside on the balcony, so I don't know what's up with that. But yeah, we came on the ship a little bit early. We came on the ship a little bit early. Not that early though, because usually the rooms open up at 1:30, so our luggage is not here. With the suite, you get priority service. So when I came on before, I think we checked in around the same time, everything was already in the room. So it's a little bit different doing a balcony, but still nice room, nice setup, and we're about to go eat. So I'll holler at you later. Bye.
All right, y'all. So this was just the initial video that I did of us getting on board, getting into the room before we went to go to the Lido deck, deck number 9, to get some food. I am going to do my best to show y'all the whole series of activities that we had on this cruise. We went to Cozumel and Progresso. We did some excursions. We went to the beach. So if you want to see more of that, just stay tuned and make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss that content that will be coming. Y'all know I'm a woman of my word, so now that I've said it, I got to do it. So yeah, just click that like button, subscribe, get those notifications, and you'll see more of our experience. Thanks for watching. As always, this is Fix It with Fran, where I talk about all things faith, family, food, and fun. I can't leave without giving you the reminder that it's truly my belief God has given us all gifts and talents that can fix some problem that exists in the world. And while we may not be able to fix everything, I want to remind and encourage you to remember that we can all fix something. So until next time, I pray that you would find that thing and fix it. See you next time.